Above the river, the kāhu flies, silent, watching. The land below is alive. Gardens tended, homes of peace. A village resting, the breath of morning. But something stirs. Others begin to gather, wings on the wind. They came from different skies, called by something older than time. Each bird carried a song, a memory, a whisper from beyond the veil. Tui sings a greeting. Tōroa glides in from the sea. Kereru, Ruru, Fantail, and the others follow. They do not speak, not at first, but each knows the way. They are drawn to a great house, its carved arms wide, its door open like a heart. Inside, they rise to the rafters, whispering, laughing, calling names long remembered. Then, stillness. A hui begins, not with words, but with presence. And then, light. It begins to shimmer, a breath in its walls, a glow in its carvings. The house itself becomes Wairua. They brought peace and sound and rhythm. The house they entered was not made of timber, but of stories, of Wairua, of feathers gathered across generations. They step outside. The ground shifts. Flagstones rise in perfect circle. A sacred place is forming. As they chant, feathers begin to fall, light white glowing. The air stirs, and from the center of a circle, a shape takes form. A great bird, woven from light and memory, born of song. The birds sing in unison, one voice, many wings, until slowly, gently, they begin to drift away. Only the white spirit remains. And then it lifts its wings and returns to the sky. The world is quiet again, but something has changed. The fire has been lit. The spirit continues until the spirit becomes a bird of light, until it flew home to the stars, and the circle stood still once more. But the song, the fire, remains. Haerera e te Wairua, return to the skies. Kia tau te rangi Māria, may peace stay. Ka noho te Māori, the life force remains. Āmene. Tihei Māori ora.